Do you want that every addition, every add to is a I'm feeling comfortable so that I can then go off and tend? Will that be a pleasant experience for you if on the way to the, say, 6 partners, each one is all right, add this one in, all right, you're good, settled, okay, now I can go expand. Like that work, the drudgery into like, when does it get and move on to expansion? I'm having to work so hard on. That's what you're responsible for. And I say that for you checking in with yourself. You can have that, or you can have, damn, she turns me on, damn, we are always on top of each other. There's creativity, flirtation in play, and you creating or deciding. If the conversation for multiple women, not your pursuit of multiple women, a life with multiple women. You're talking specifically to polygamy. Under the same roof, partnerships, the commune. That's a distinct world to walk into. What you're creating with a partner, even if it is, we're on that trajectory and we're getting us solid first, there are certain angles inside of that, right? That's still your first boo. We were talking about the value of that, like the deepest rooted feminine connection. That's what you're building right now. Like that's your fucking home tree. You want to be able to come back to one, like somebody's got me. Somebody's a soft place. Look for yourself, what your relationship shows up as now, the work that's going to be to get to that point. Do you want that to be the foundation? Meaning truly evaluate, is she the right partner for it? Will she work into this? Because the road is what you're building with one that may become many. And if y'all aren't on the same page from square one, there's a lot of conversations and questions you're not actually approaching, taking on, looking at. Like the angle that you're going from leaves you handicapped. And there's a gap of her being your partner in it. You're doing the work by self to get it to a point where you can, all right, now we'll engage. Now we'll activate multiplier. Like the game changes then. I'm gonna operate this way, get these credits and points up so that now I can check out or move on to level 2 and start expanding. And I'll keep spinning the plate whenever, however I need to.